Hi, I'm going to give you some tips on how to make the crash course videos easier to access. A lot of people have complained about them talking too fast, and so I wanted to show you some ways that you can slow down the video or access the information in other ways. So, to start with, the first thing that I always recommend is that you turn on closed captioning. So, if you click on the CC um, square down here, it allows you to have closed captioning on. So if it's underlined like that, it's on. The next thing that you can do is you can go under settings and you can adjust the playback speed. So if you wanted to go slower, play it back at 0.75. I wouldn't say go any slower than that because then it gets a little hard to listen to. But 0.75 is usually what I do in class to help slow it down. Another way that you can access the information is by going underneath the More and looking at the transcript. And this has everything that is said in the video. So if you find it hard to follow along with what's being said in the video, you can use this to find the information that you need to complete the crash course sheets. I would still recommend watching the video, but at least here you can read through and get the information in another way. So I hope that these tips help. If you have any other questions, please ask me in class.